Good morning, student of class 8. Today we will study English literature. First chapter, Kabuliwala, rest part of it. So, here page number 21, punctuation. So, here what is the instruction? Edit the following passage, use capital letters, add punctuation marks, and correct grammatical errors as you write the passage in your notebook. So here you have to edit, and wherever capital letters, comma, inverted comma, question mark, full stop, etc. not done here. So you have to do it. So first word, you know that it's capital in it. So first word will be for decades. F should be capital for decades, then comma here. Man has known an importance of communication. First stop. With should be capital. Various means by which one can communicate. Then first stop. It has become much easier to communicate. First stop. And now again capital. It is easier to communicate a message to those who are far away than it was several decades ago. First stop. Write well. Letter writing. First, write a letter to your friend who stays at Chennai, telling him or her which magazines and periodicals does your school subscribe to for your school library. Mention their titles and at what time interval they are brought out. So what here you have to write a letter. You know that letter there are two types, formal and informal letter. So here you have to write a letter to your friend about what, any of your friend who stays at Chennai this time, and telling him or her which magazine and periodical does your school subscribe for your school diary. So that you have to mention, you will mention by yourself. Okay, so first what to do, what write the format of letter. Okay, then start with dear friend, name of it, then within two para, first para, okay, discuss about what, about the school diaries point of view, then second para expectation, at last rest of the formalities. Okay, now section B. Kabliwala was a peddler from Afghanistan. Many liked him. Have you ever noticed any peddler in your neighborhood? How does he or she help you and your family? Write a short paragraph. If you have Kabliwala, you know that everyone, Kabliwala was a peddler from Afghanistan. So now question here asked, have you ever noticed any peddler in your neighborhood? Same like Abdul Rahman means Kabliwala. If you have the experience, then you share it here. Otherwise does not have, so what to do, you have to imagine and just create a situation, and then like this you have to write it within short para, means 75-80 word you have to do it. Okay, both you have time, today you will complete it. Now next one, dictionary skill. Find out the meaning of the following words in a dictionary and use them in a sentence. There are four words here given. First word, treacherous. Second one, trivial. Third one, turncoat. Next one, turmoil. So you have time, you find out the diction, take out and now find it out. Four words. Okay, easy one. And next one, find out the difference between the following pairs of word. Following pairs of word, there are some. Okay, first one, disaster, and B, what is accident? There are some difference between disaster and accident. Second one, ascent, bound, wrapped, smeared, sheared. So what is the meaning of disaster? Disaster means great or sudden misfortune. So disaster means sudden misfortune. Accident means what? Something that happens without a cause. That is accident. Ascent, there are one word difference actually here. Here yes and only. So what is ascent means? prominence, and this one ascent means upward movement, to go upward. Bound and wrapped. Bound means what? It's a limitation, limit. Wrapped means put round. Put round means something wrapped in a bag or something gift. And next one, smeared and sheared. Smeared means what? Cover. And sheared means surface that was totally burnt with something. That is sheared. Okay. So in front of it you have to do, not in copy. Okay. Only writing section you have to do in copy. And punctuation, dictionary, this one not. Now next one, project work. What is the project work here? First one, work in groups of 5 and discuss the lives of people from different walks of life who stays away from their families due to the compulsion of their work profession. Focus on their feelings of loneliness and how they keep themselves in touch with their families. Compare your group finding with how such persons must have kept themselves in touch with their families about 50 years ago. Now, what is the question? Work in groups of 5. This time, works in groups of 5, it's not an easy work. But here you have to discuss the lives of people. Who people? Who have from people from different walks of life, who stays away from their family. Like Kabliwala Abdul Rahman, he was belonging from Afghanistan, but he was here in India. So how he was far away from his family member. So here you have to mention his focus on their feeling of loneliness and how they are keeping themselves in touch with their families. And after, compare your group finding and how you have to just mention, about how they are feeling now, their feelings. Okay, within within some page, 1 or 2 page you will do it. And next one, value and life skills. One is here some given. Generosity is giving more than you can, and pride is taking less than you need. Who said? Khalil Gibran. And here first one, write 3 things that you would like to do to help your domestic help without making any publicity of this good work done to her. Second one, how would you react to the person who tells you that you are well behaved student of your class? Choose your options from the ones provided below. Here try to understand what is generosity is giving more than you can and pride is taking less than you need. So what, write 3 things that you would like to do to help your domestic help without making any publicity of this work done to her. Means any of a person you are thinking what 3 things you want to do without any publicity, that you have to, here in the book you will mention it. And how you will react who tells you that you are a well behaved student of your class. Choose the option. There are 4. You would thank him, you would say nothing, you would wonder why that person said such a thing to you and ask him her so, and you would get annoyed with that person. There are 4 options, you have to take it which one right. Okay, so this one you have to do in book only, not in copy. So what here you have to do, what, write well in copy and project well in copy. Today and tomorrow you have time to, within 2 days complete it. Then day after, if you will complete it today, just send the message to me. Okay, rest in another day. Next chapter, I have a dream, we will start next day. Thank you.